We're going to prison. Atta boy! All right, guys, today we are at Hendry Correctional Institution on the outskirts of Immokalee, Florida. Obviously, this prison has been abandoned for a long freaking time. We're having a lot sesh out in front of the prison. However, they said they're gonna let a couple of us in there to go check out some of the cell block and do a little bit of riding in there. This is kind of a once-in-a-lifetime thing, they're riding in an abandoned prison. So let's get right into this one. So as you guys can see, this is an awesome little lot sesh going on in the front of the old correctional facility or prison. And a couple of us are gonna go do our thing inside the prison. What's up? So there's kind of the old grounds over here, and look at that, the old guard tower up there. Wild. What the f are you doing? Pretty massive facility. This is probably where they brought people in. Bring them in, this gate closed, close that gate, and then boom, yeah, makes sense. Oh shit. That's probably so they can see under the cars coming in and out of prison. Make sure no one's under there. Make sure no one's grabbing onto the trailer. That's wild. That would be a shit job. Hey, you're gonna be inspecting the underneath of buses and cars. I'd rather be in here in the AC. This is where they used to have all the guns. This is like really similar to in the military. You'll stick your M4 right there, have your name with your gun, and this is where you left your gun. Kind of cool. We're going to prison.
Been there, done that.
Been there, done that. I don't want to go to prison. The green machines. We're waiting for the guy in the Charger again.
Yeah. Once they're done filming that shit.
Hell yeah. I'm excited. We can ride a little bit in the cell blocks too, huh?
I guess.
You run this joint?
No.
Yeah?
I'm from New York.
He lives here. The marshals came and got him up in New York on a federal warrant. Brought him here. Hasn't left since.
I wouldn't mind having this property, yo.
They turned the AC off in 01. It's been rough. This southern heat, man, in prison down here, that would be worse than a death sentence down here with no AC. Holy shit. My box is $225. She hot. Thank you. Foot brake. My man. Whoa! Oh boy.
Yeah, sure. That was dope as fuck.
All right. Us five are going in. Me, Gardner, Eli. Wow, dude. Department of Corrections, state of Florida. Wild to think how many hundreds, if not thousands of men called this their home for so many years. Looks like an old barracks building, man, a 2-flat like this. What is this?
Where the guards are, where it's all glassed in if you walk in.
Oh, okay, yeah. This is where the guards would stand.
This is like maximum.
This was the maximum security unit then. Wow. Here's a control unit. This is wild, dude. Shackles, leg irons, handcuffs, their little bathroom. What the hell? Love is war. What the hell? Crazy, man. Only a couple of us were allowed in here today. That's why we had to wait at that gate for a little bit there. We couldn't have all the riders coming in, so they grabbed a couple of us that they knew could ride in some place like this and said, let's do it. Should I do a wheelie on the courtyard? Why is Eli riding right towards me? There is no way that we are in a cell block right now. We're in a cell block. Eli's up. Dude, this is insane. We're literally in a prison doing wheelies. Atta boy! Dude, this is so slick, people. This ground. fucking loud in here. What's in here? Multi-purpose. Whoa. What the hell is this? They got carpet in here. This used to be like their performing stage, I guess. It open. Cinder blocks in the way. Ooh, I just got stung by a bee. Got stung by a bee! God damn it. This is crazy, man, being in here solo. My poor bike is blinking, man. She needs some damn air. Man, they have all the way up to F. So A, B, C, D, E, F. 7 cell blocks. Riding this 636 like a damn dirt bike. Woo! Vocation, so this was your church. Next to the F-150, full of bullet holes. Come, take a seat. It's safe, I swear. It's just in the middle of the freaking jail. That's what happens when you park your truck on the west side of Chicago. All right, guys, I'm literally the last one here in the prison. A lot of guys have left. It's gotten really hot. I'm exhausted. I'm extremely lightheaded, but what an absolute amazing experience to be able to bring my bike into an abandoned prison like this and go ride and bring you guys along for it. If you guys are new here, I absolutely hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, make sure to like it. And if you guys got something to say to me or want to share your prison experiences down in the comments below, let me know. This is your least favorite motovlogger, Brian636, signing out. Respect life, guys. Peace.